Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when cube root of 4x is equals to 4 root of 3x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video. So as we can see, both the sides are in root. So we can use the formula of exponent, that is n root a is equals to, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So similarly, I can write 4x power 1 by 3 is equals to 3x power 1 by 4. Now, both the powers, we can take the least common multiple or least common denominator of 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to multiply 12 in powers both the sides. So 4x equal 1 by 3 times 12 is equals to 3x power 1 by 4 into 12. So if I eliminate 3 with 12, we get 4, and 4 with 12, we get 3. So it's like 4x power 4 is equals to 3x cube. Now 4 cube is 256, x power 4 is equals to 3 cube is 27 x cube. Now I'm taking both the terms together. So 256 x power 4 minus 27 x cube is equals to 0. From both the terms, I can take x cube as common. So 256x minus 27 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots. The number first is x cube is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0. And the second one is 256x minus 27 is equals to 0. So 256x is equals to 27 and x is equals to 27 by 256. So that's how you can calculate the value of x. So we have two value of x. So x can be either 0 or 27 by 256. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. And if you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.